Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study law effectively. Start by mastering the IRAC method, issue, rule, application, conclusion, for analyzing legal problems. This structured approach helps you break down complex cases. Regularly outlining your course material is crucial for synthesizing information and identifying key concepts. Don't just read, actively engage with the material. Practice applying legal principles to hypothetical situations to solidify your understanding and prepare for exams. Reading legal cases requires a strategic approach. Don't just skim, actively identify the essential facts, the legal issue, and the court's ultimate holding. When briefing cases, aim for conciseness, highlighting the court's reasoning and any dissenting or concurring opinions. Understanding the procedural posture, how the case arrived at the current court, is also vital. This practice sharpens your analytical skills and prepares you for class discussions. Active participation in class is key to deepening your understanding and clarifying doubts. Don't hesitate to ask questions. Forming study groups can be incredibly beneficial. Discussing complex legal concepts with peers often provides new perspectives and reinforces learning. Crucially, prepare for exams by creating your own practice tests and completing them under timed conditions. This simulates the actual exam environment and helps you manage your time effectively. The study of law is a continuous journey. It's essential to stay updated on new legal developments, statutory changes, and landmark cases, as the law is constantly evolving. Make the most of academic resources, including legal databases and scholarly journals, to broaden your knowledge. For convenient access to all your reading materials, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below. Keep learning and refining your legal mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.